I'm back at Aldi, my friends, for part 2 of what to buy at Aldi this summer. There's so many Bobby approved summer items. I broke this video into 2 parts. So if you haven't seen part 1 from yesterday, make sure to check that out also, because when it comes to snacks, both sweet and savory, hot dogs, beef, frozen items, ice cream, there's a ton of Bobby approved items that we have to check out because Aldi has the best prices. But speaking of checking out, I do also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive is a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you'd find at almost any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about $32 compared to going to most grocery stores, and the box comes to your door. You don't even have to leave your house, and I will type out a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items, including personal care products, including Bobby approved sunscreen, and put it in the description box. When you click my link down there, 30% off your first order, a free gift, and 30 days risk-free. So check it out. Less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Aldi. This is super interesting. So they always have Aldi, these organic chicken sausages, but what I like about them, they rotate the flavors a lot. And these are summer and spring, spring flavors. Organic chicken, spinach, and spring greens with garlic, and organic mild sausages. Why do I love them? It's literally one of the cleanest sausages on the market. This would be right up my alley. Spinach with spring greens. So organic non-GMO chicken. What are the spring greens? Spinach, kale, arugula, 3 of my favorite greens, with garlic and dill and black pepper. That's it. No sugar, no preservatives, no mystery meat. And $4.99 for 12 ounces is a great deal. Mild sweet Italian sausage. Real ingredients, dried peppers, paprika, fennel. That's my kind of sausage done right, because this is an Aldi Finds right here. Amy Lou, they have a lot of these at Costco, but Amy Lou, while the ingredients are relatively clean, GMO chicken and GMO cheddar cheese, and it's 12 ounces for $5.89, 12 ounces for $4.99. Try these on the grill, you will love them. This one is for the keto or diabetic folks, or people who are watching their sugar intake and want to get their ice cream on. I've talked about this before, but ooh, Aldi Saver, 10 cents off the Sunday Shop keto ice cream. Look at this. They still have the best new product sticker on there from 2021. It's like, I understand you're proud of that, but we're in 2023, my friends. This is a better for you option. Is it Bobby approved? No, and I'll show you why in a second. But if you eat Enlightened or Rebel or any kind of keto ice cream, exact same recipe, way cheaper. So what does it mean that it's keto? There's no added sugar here, right? So it's sweetened with erythritol and monk fruit. I'm totally fine with that. The chocolate chips are no sugar, of course, but they have coconut oil there instead of palm oil. And it has real vanilla extract in here instead of vanilla natural flavors. It's 5 grams of net carbs per serving, exact same as Rebel and Enlightened. What would make it Bobby approved? Well, if the dairy were organic or non-GMO, but honestly, it makes me want to cry like that kid over there, because no keto ice cream makers make an organic or non-GMO ice cream, which is why I call it better for you. So skip those brands, get this one for $3.89. That's how you do summer. There's an interesting item in the Aldi Saver section here. It's this. It's probably something a lot of Americans haven't had, because 40% of Americans have never had lamb, but this is leg of lamb butterfly. So maybe you eat leg of lamb around Easter. This is actually a pretty cool thing to fire on the grill, and it's $6.99 for grass-fed lamb. Now you're not going to see grass-fed on the label here, but look on the back. Product of Australia. I could almost guarantee this is 100% grass-fed, grass-finished lamb. And what I like about it is that if you compare it to this counterpart here, you might be like, oh, this is already marinated for me, and it's great for the grill. The problem is, there are some interesting seasonings in here, but sunflower oil and natural flavoring. Once again, remember, when you see natural flavoring, it's the biggest lie in the grocery store. So make your own spice rub with smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, onion powder, garlic powder, rosemary, something like that. Really, really yummy. And it's not on sale right now, but if you're gonna fire up the grill and make leg of lamb, get yourself the best deal on the planet for grass-fed beef. Not just grass-fed, 100% grass-fed, grass-finished, and organic. $85.15 grass-fed beef for $5.69. You might see this is more expensive. $6.19, normally $6.79. This is the same thing. The only difference, $93.7 85.15. This is more lean. I can guarantee you this will dry out so easily when you cook it. Remember, when it comes to beef, fat is flavor. This is the one you want. At that price, winning. I'm looking for the sunscreen here. This is all they have. Wow. It's summer, and it's summer in Florida. We take sunscreen very seriously. I've made videos all about it. This is all they have here. They have spray sunscreen, which I would never get spray because how does the spray come out of the can? It's with a chemical propellant, which then you can inhale, especially for kids when you're spraying it on their body. But there's two kinds of sunscreens. There's mineral-based and chemical-based, and this unfortunately is the chemical-based one with the active ingredients, one of 4 being avobenzone. So you always want to get mineral-based, but within mineral, the inactive ingredients is where the devil lies, and a lot of them have skin irritants and parfums. By far my favorite is Badger sunscreen, and actually Thrive Market mineral sunscreen is great too. I would load up now. You can get it at stores, but go on Thrive Market. They have a great price on the Badger. Badger for kids, Badger for adults. The Badger stick for the face actually has extra virgin olive oil, which is a non-oxidated oil, which is important for your face skin. And the Thrive Market brand of mineral is very, very similar, but it's even cheaper. Really important for the summer. Both are on Thrive Market. Also on Thrive Market is the Kiki Milk. They now have the big 32-ounce containers, and they sell them per container. Try that for your smoothies or your cereal bowls. And the Thrive Market Keto Coconut Flakes or the 7 Sundays cereal is what I have at night for my dessert while watching, oh my God, did anyone watch A Small Light on Disney about Anne Frank's family? I was watching that miniseries. It was tragic, but I was eating my cereal bowl while having it. I digress. Anyway, all those things are on Thrive Market. When you click my link down below, you also get 30% off your first order and the free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. So check out all those items. Plus, I'll type out a list and put out all my other Thrive Market favorites in the description box down below. We've talked about sweet treats. We need savory treats also for the summertime. I think I've talked about this in the past, but the Savorites brand almond flour crackers that are keto are a skosh away from being Bobby approved, and I'm partial to everything bagel seasoning. This is an everything bagel seasoning almond flour cracker. The first time I saw it, I thought for sure it would have palm oil and unsavory ingredients in there. Nope, no oil at all. Almond flour based, real everything bagel seasoning. The only issue is the cheddar cheese in here, which I understand why they put it in there for seasoning and to bind it together, but the cheese is not organic. The cheese is not non-GMO, so it is GMO cheese, but it falls under the category of better for you option. Not Bobby approved, but better for you option. More importantly, better for you price, $2.99 for summer snacking, you're winning. I've never actually talked about freeze-dried fruit at ALDI, but it's a really great deal because I've had to buy some recently. I made videos doing a Starbucks refreshers dupe. I went to Starbucks, I ordered their refreshers and showed how much sugar was in there like I always do, and then made some really good pink drink and pineapple passion fruit refresher at home. Well, this is a great deal. You get a package of 1 ounce for $3.49. They could easily be $5 and above at most grocery stores. What's my only issue? Well, I do wish the strawberries and apples were organic because they live on the Dirty Dozen, but still, they're Bobby approved. So if you want to make your own refresher at home or crumble this on top of a yogurt bowl for a little snack in the summer, it's a good deal. Just stick to the freeze-dried fruit because I was just looking at the other fruit here, like the regular dried one. This is tropical pineapple, and I can see the glisten of the cane sugar through the bag here, and it has a staggering 18 grams of added sugar per third cup. That means every serving has 4.5 teaspoons of sugar. Wow, wow, wow. You want to put that one back and stick with the dried fruit. All right, family, that is it for part 2 of what to buy at ALDI this summer. Such a big video. I had to break it into a 2-parter. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, go back to yesterday and watch it because there's so many great things at rock bottom ALDI prices. And speaking of good prices, don't forget to check out thrivemarket.com. Click my link down below. 30% off your first order and the free gift, and I typed out a list of all my fave Thrive Market items and put it down below. But from ALDI, my favorite place, I leave you like I always do. # keep on cooking, mad love, and peace. Later.